Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is a memory foam footrest pillow. And for this one, does give you guys the option to adjust it, so that way you take off the bottom layer, and I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. You can see the one that we got right here from this brand, and when you guys first get the product, it's all nicely wrapped up. So let's take off the wrapper first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So inside right here, we do have the brand logo. And when you guys feel the material that's on the cover, it definitely feels very soft and very smooth. And for the cover, they mentioned how you can definitely throw a machine to wash it and dry it. And you see on the bottom, they do have the Nonstick Material. So that way when you guys do put it on the ground, it won't move around. And you see on the side right here, they do have a zipper for you guys to unzip it. So that way you can take it apart. So if you guys unzip this part here, if you guys take it out, they do have a Velcro design. So that you can take it off really easily and stick it back together really easily as well. But once you guys take it out, here's what the bottom part looks like right here. And here is the top of the bottom section. So it's actually really cool how it should give you guys the option to remove this part right here if you guys don't want to use the bottom part. Or if you guys want to use both of them, you do have the option to use both of them as well. But when you guys do squeeze the material on here, it definitely feels like a high quality memory foam that they do use on here. And you see it on the side right here, and also for the top one as well, they do have another zipper. So once you guys open up, that is basically what the inside looks like. So when you guys squeeze it down, you can definitely see the memory foam material that's inside. So when you guys do wash and dry the product, you guys only wash the cover and not the memory foam inside. Same thing applies to the top one as well. So once you guys are done, you can zip it back up. And it's all set. And what's really cool about this product is the fact that it is multifunctional. So you definitely have the option to adjust it by taking each different section out. But you do have the option to use it flat down like this. Or you can turn it the other way to use as a rocker option, which is kind of cool. And if you guys are curious about what's the benefit of using the product, it's supposed to give you guys that comfort and support for your back, your leg, and your hip, and probably for your feet as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually put this down on the ground to show you guys what the product looks like when you guys actually use it. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the pillow. Let me actually put it on the ground to show you guys how it works. So if you just put it down just like that, let's say if you guys have your desk right here, then all you can do is put your feet on top and definitely work on your desk like this. So currently right now I do have it elevated and actually feels pretty comfortable. But let's take off the bottom part and show you guys what the bottom looks like. Once you guys take off the bottom layer, it does not feel as comfortable, but you definitely still have that comfort and support when you guys do put it on here, just not as much. But what's really cool is the fact that you do have the option to use like this, or if you guys want to bring this over, you guys can use it like this as well. But obviously when you guys use it like this, there's not that curved option like this one right here. So it is better for you guys to use both of them together. And then like I mentioned, it does give you guys a rocker option. So I stick it back together. If I flip it over like this, if I put my feet on top, I do have the option to rock my feet if I do want to, which is pretty convenient. So that is basically everything that's on the product here in terms of how to use it. You can see it definitely does work and it works pretty well. Welcome back guys. So nice little quick test about it definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So I really like the fact how it gives you guys the option to adjust different sections on here. So if you guys only want to use the top, then definitely do that. But if you guys want to use both of them to give you guys an elevated option, you guys can do that as well. So whether if you guys want to use it at home, in office, or if you guys want to use it while you guys are gaming, you definitely have the option to use it whenever and however you guys want. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to end the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality footrest pillow that has the memory foam material and also give you guys the option to adjust different sections on here. So that way you guys only use the top or only the bottom or both at the same time. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.